little bird in the willow tree sings a song so gently, softly chirping through the leaves, rocking baby's breath and ease. Little bird, bird, calm and slow, where the gentle breezes go. Nest is hidden in the bough, sleeping bird with tiny, dreaming of the coming spring. Little bird, a bird, calm and low, lullaby begins to flow. Robin, sparrows, wren and finch, singing softly, butterfly across the room. Little bird, a bird, calm and kind, where the lover finds. Little bird, whispering what dream aside. Little bird, bird, calm and kind, tender songs and love to find. If the wind is gently blown, birds will hush their sleepy tone. Leaves will whisper through the air, telling tales of dreamy prayer. Little bird, a bird, calm and wide, floating softly by your side. Puffin, penguin, owl and dove, they're sending songs of baby love. Every cat beneath your feet. Little bird, bird, calm and white, lullaby, baby, cheap, baby, bud bloom, whispering across the room. Little bird, bird, calm and low, where the gentle breezes bleed. Cuckoo calls from far